Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PESX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few days worth of time, it's actually just 2 days, both Monday and then today, Tuesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice bounce over the past few days. I mean, from where it was here to where it is right now, any logical person would say, yeah, the price has certainly been making a very nice bounce. So it's worth at least getting some things updated here. So really the big question becomes, okay, yeah, the price has been making a very nice bounce. How do you kind of go about just measuring the health of this bounce? You know, the general, strength of the overall movement. And with charts, you can make doing that very, very straightforward. And it has everything to do with that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as the week continues to play out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. Again, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Now, I mean, if the price, of course, could stay up here above the 16-cent mark, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price remains above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Well, as of right now, the price is, as would be expected, struggling with that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the famous 200-period moving average. So you can see at that point, didn't quite hit it, but got within the vicinity of it. But then late day today, totally hit it, and now is totally struggling with it. Not saying the price can't break through it. Again, just saying that it makes sense why the price is struggling with that area, because it is a very famous level in the world of charts. In the event the price can push up through that pink line there, the 200-period moving average, where would be the next key level of resistance be at? And that would be right here at this former top of the channel, right up there, slightly above 18 cents. So we'll call it right around 18.5 cents. So 18.5 next key overall level. But again, first in the very near term, the price has got to get above that pink line there, the 200-period moving average. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice bounce the past several days. And like I said, as long as the price remains above that purple line, as the line moves itself higher and higher, then the bounce is in, fully the bulls' favor. So let's see how this week continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.